Today I'm gonna show you cinematic time effect. Here is the normal video clips and duplicate the layer. Press keyboard Alt. Then go to effect and search strobe light and leave off the top layer. Then go to effect control and stop duration 10, stop period 20. And key on random stop probability. I will make the last point 100. Then change the strobe. Again we will go effect and search VR chromatic. Leave the top layer. Again search black and white and leave the top layer. We will go effect control and bring this effect down. Let's move the top layer a little to the right. Cut the top layer from the middle, little by little. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.